Hello students, welcome to the science class. Today is your biology test of chapter 2, nutrition in animals. So let's revise all topics of this chapter one by one. First, steps involved in animal nutrition. There are 5 steps that involved in animal nutrition: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. Ingestion is the first step of animal nutrition. It is the process of taking in food inside the body of an organism. Digestion is the process of breaking down of complex substance of food into the simple soluble form. Absorption is the process of passing up soluble form of food that form during digestion into the cells of the body through blood is known as absorption. Assimilation is the process of using absorbed food through the cells to producing energy and growth. Digestion is the process of removal of undigested food material from our body. It is the last step of animal nutrition, and it is the process of removal of undigested food material from our body. Different organisms have different structure for taking food. Like amoeba has pseudopodia to capture food. Paramecium have cilia. Hydra have tentacles. Birds have beaks, and mosquito have feeding tubes. So these are some different structure for taking food in different organisms. Some animals take in food through their mouths. Human beings, like other animals, also take in food through their mouths. So the continuous canal by which food enters the body and wasted food expelled out from the body is known as alimentary canal. And the organs which involved in alimentary canal are mouth. Mouth is also known as buccal cavity, and this have organs like teeth and tongue. There are different types of teeth. There are 4 types of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars and molars that are present in our mouth or buccal cavity. They have different functions. Incisors helps in cutting or biting of food. Canines help in piercing or tearing of food. Premolars and molars helps in chewing and grinding the food. So there are 4 types of teeth, and they have different functions. And structure of tooth. Tooth have 3 different parts: root, crown and neck. The part of tooth that embedded into the jaw is known as root. Crown, the top part of the tooth, is known as crown, and the neck is the part of between root and part of between the root and crown is neck. And tooth is made up of enamel, dentine and pulp cavity. Enamel is the hardest substance of our body. This question, you can make this question: what is the hardest substance of our body or human body? It is enamel, that is hardest substance of the body. So the organs involved in alimentary canal: mouth, that is known as buccal cavity; esophagus, it is also known as food pipe; stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. So the digestion of food starts from mouth, and food after digestion in mouth passes into stomach through esophagus. Esophagus is also known as food pipe. It helps to pass food from mouth to the stomach. Mouth, stomach and small intestine secretes some digestive juices which helps in the digestion of food. Mouth has salivary glands which secrete saliva, which makes the food wet and slippery. Esophagus, there is no digestion takes place, and it also not produce any digestive juices. Stomach, inner wall of stomach produces hydrochloric acid, HCl, and gastric juices which helps in the digestion of food. Small intestine also secretes intestinal juice. It also receives bile juice and pancreatic juice from liver and pancreas. Liver secretes bile juice and pancreas secretes pancreatic juice, which helps in the digestion of fats, proteins. And large intestine, it does not secrete any digestive juice. Digestion of food ends at the small intestine. Large intestine absorbed undigested food passes into when undigested food passes into the large intestine. Here, water and some salts are absorbed, and the undigested food expelled out from our body through anus. So, all these organs included with glands like liver, pancreas that secrete digestive juice forms alimentary canal or digestive system. So here you can make some important question: which digestive juice secreted by stomach, that is gastric juice. A small intestine secretes intestinal juice. Liver secretes bile juice, and pancreas secretes pancreatic juice. And tooth have three main parts: root, crown, and neck. Enamel is the hardest substance. Tooth is made up of enamel, dentine, and pulp cavity. Next is digestion in grass-eating animals. Grass-eating animals can digest cellulose that present in grass. It is a type of carbohydrate. Only some animals can digest cellulose. So the animals that can digest cellulose is known as ruminants. There is in their digestive system, cecum is present. Cecum is a large sac-like structure between small intestine and large intestine. It has some bacteria that helps in the digestion of cellulose. Human beings does not have this type of bacteria, so human beings does not digest cellulose. Cecum is present only in ruminants. Cows, buffaloes, goat, all these are grass-eating animals that are known as ruminants, and they have cecum. Now read all topics of this chapter very minutely and do your test with honesty. Thank you. All the best.